guys, it's Cassie and you are going to help pack with me for London. This video is very kindly sponsored by Nordstrom. I am going back home for a couple of weeks and I have enlisted the help of a stylist, Coulson. Here he is.
Hello.
To help me put together some looks for the weeks ahead. So we need to take into account the weather in London. I've done my research. I think we're looking at, in Fahrenheit, between like 64 and 68 degrees. If that means anything to you, it means nothing to me.
That means way more to me than Celsius would, so
okay,
fabulous.
fantastic. I have an engagement party.
Great.
We need a couple of day looks in general, and then also like a nice lunch dinner situation as well. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Are you ready, Coulson?
Absolutely!
You're like, I've never seen you do the intro before.
Whoa!
Let's have a look through my stuff and let's see what's calling to you, what makes sense to you.
Oh, right.
What is making you excited. All of that.
Fabulous.
Yes.
So, I love this. This is like my favorite, like literally with what you're wearing right now, with just like a jean and a white tee.
And we do her as a jacket?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, as a jacket.
We do her as a jacket. We do her as, so we do it open and vibey, big, puffy, amazing. We do a little tight waist.
A little hit me baby one more time.
It's fine, it's sensible. Boop, boop, boop. With the like big sleeves.
This looks fantastic. How did you make it look so good when I do it? It doesn't look great. You've got like a little system with it.
A little system. Listen, I've done it a time or two. So that's just great. Another little easy look.
Running around town.
The other thing that I want to do with this top. So these are my favorite ways to style tops like this. So we're just gonna button her. We're gonna keep the sleeves cuffed as they were.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go down just to where the jean starts. Pull it up to the pant, and I'm going to tuck that here in the pant. I'm going to let that drape, just like that.
Just a little something.
So we definitely have to take that because the color is just too good, and you can do so many things with it. Okay, so what else is exciting me? This, so cute. These little helmet-laying shorts with the like brown exposed, with this tucked in.
It's true.
That's gonna be so good. And then look, with the little, what should we do? Ooh, do the Bulgari. Will that be nice? Is that nice? What do we think? Oh, the Chanel 19 would be lovely with this too.
Ooh, yes.
Because the mixed metal is just so good. Oh yeah, we're living!
Yes! That's the look.
Oh my god, hi. Hello.
I love it.
Phenomenal. Okay, so we love her.
Cozy, but fun.
Yes.
I like.
Yes.
Okay.
And that, like, with a nice little, the Prada sneaker. Great.
Yes, the black ones. Yeah.
Love this Alexander McQueen. This is just so good.
I know.
You can layer it. You can do so many things with it.
Yeah.
Love, just with like a hoodie.
I know.
Easy.
Yeah,
that's like your,
it's
I'm
true,
going to get
that
coffee
with a
in the morning.
sweater. Yeah, you gotta let them know.
You gotta say, hi, hello, I've arrived. Okay.
Oh.
Let's see what else we've got here. Okay, this is exquisite. This is your luncheon. This is lunch.
Oh, this is a fun lunch.
Because this is easy.
Is a fun
this
lunch.
Is like afternoon. This is colorful, right?
Oh, a little Balmain, you know,
this feels,
fun little number.
This feels a little more holiday to me.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Agreed. Very Christmas.
This is very, this is very like New Year's Eve.
She's feeling tinsely. So, what Coulson and I are doing now is Nordstrom's closet consultation service, right? So, this can be, do you want to know what? I need a closet clear out. We need to find out what's working, what's not working. What have you found? Oh, I know.
I'm just exploring. She's working and I'm just having a fun time.
I know. They're my Elton John sunglasses.
They literally are.
Yeah, very rocket.
This is what happens during a closet consult. Just look through your things.
There we go. So, yeah, so you can go through, this is what's working, this is what's not, this is maybe what's working, but it needs to be tailored to work even better. Because a fitter also attends your appointment, so if you need any alterations done, they can fit you there and there on the spot. Or you can use it for all sorts of different occasions, such as I'm going on holiday and I need to find out let's piece the pieces together, let's pick pieces that are versatile, that you can get more than one look out of, because it's all about making sure you're maximising your space. Why? Do you want to know why? So that you can shop at your destination and bring it back without any issues. There we go.
There it is. There it is. It all goes back to shop. Oh, stop it.
These are my chemistry teacher sunglasses.
Okay, I live. They're literally...
Stop! Well, if at the end of today they're no longer here, I know why.
Well. My boss is going to watch this. The other thing that's phenomenal is, like, so I personally, like, we can only, like, see what we can see, but somebody else's view, like, going through your closet and being like, you compare this with this. They're like, oh my god, I would have never thought of that. Like, this, like, it helps you to refresh and recreate what you already own and know so well. It's
so good to rediscover those pieces that, oh my gosh, I forgot about that and I could wear this in this way. So, for the closet consult, it's a 3-hour appointment for $300 via a gift card. So let me get that right. That means that it's like redeemable against purchases.
Correct. So
there we go.
This service, you buy a $300 gift card, but then you can use that toward what I show you, what we do in the appointment.
Yeah. If you are a Icon or Ambassador Nordy Club customer, you get one of these free annually. And if you want more information on that, go have a look at the link in my description for any more details.
Dreams to be made of. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. This is good for engagement party. This is great because you've got the velvet. It feels very, like, attached. Like, I feel like when I think of London, I think of like older elegance, like the cobblestone street and the like the gorgeously embroidered curtains. I don't know. I think of elegance. I think of like regal, like royalty.
I love that.
And this is giving me like.
I love that you think that of us. I'll take it.
Here we are. You know. This.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's great.
But what shoe?
The Mock and Mock. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
perfect.
what's the question?
It's
Show,
perfect.
bring the shoe. Bring the shoe. It's too good.
Yeah.
It's literally too good.
And then what's the bag?
Oh. What's that little baby circle one?
Lilingi.
That's cute.
It's like a little...
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And it works. It's like a little pop.
Yeah.
Of something. Of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want it to be a clutch. Whatever it is, it needs to be. But I think the Fendi First is too casual and big for this. Do we want the Mock and Mock or do we want the Louboutin?
Oh, it's true. Ooh, maybe we do it with the lubes.
That's a TBD. That's a TBD. We need to see these on together.
Okay.
I think probably the Mock and Mock, but the lubes are nice.
Yeah, I love that for the engagement look.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Okay, so that's that, and then that's nice too. But no, we've already decided. I think that the reason that let's talk about this. So the reason that I'm choosing this for the engagement look instead of this, both are fabulous, both are wonderful. This is a little bit more like businessy, and the gold is a little bit more brash. I think with an engagement party, the crystals and the bows soften it just a tiny bit, make it a little more coy, a little bit more like cute and demure, a little bit more pure, I guess.
Yeah.
While still having obviously the low lunging, the low lunging V. I just think that it gives a little bit more engagement party. This is a little bit more like, again, like New Year's or like after party after the engagement.
Oh. I love it. I love your theories. Yeah. I mean, feel free to have a look.
You know I love a harness. I'm obsessed.
I did this with a turtleneck and it was such a moment.
Stop. This is... It doesn't fit me, but wow.
It's fun, right?
Okay. Alright. Okay.
I love doing it with something very, like, casual and simple.
Yeah.
And then it's like...
Boom.
Yeah.
Like, even, like, underneath it... No, that wouldn't work.
Okay.
But,
actually, no, I feel like underneath the white it would.
Under the white one, yes.
Yeah.
With one of these black skirts. It would be so cute.
That would be really cute.
I would love.
Oh, look at us coming up! I love it.
And then what? And then the Fendace bag.
Yes. So, shall we? Let's try on 3 looks. I think we should try on the engagement party look, one day look, and like a fancy lunch / dinner look.
Okay. So
engagement party look. What do you think of how it came together? Obviously,
fabulous.
I would do this without a bra, but I couldn't be bothered today, apparently. Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
Your thoughts?
I'm living for the shoe.
I love the cohesion. And then because usually I would do this with like a complete pop of colour bag, but I like the fact that this also matches and is a pop but not an obvious pop. There we go. Yeah. I think that's going to be great.
Yeah, that's fabulous.
There you go. Congratulations on your engagement.
No, literally. Yeah. Cheers. Clink.
Yeah. Ding. Okay. Yes?
Yes.
I think it's a winner.
Winner.
Going straight in the bag. Hello day look. Hello London town. Avec Chanel 19. Your thoughts? How do you think you did?
Honestly, this is such a vibe.
It's such an easy moment.
I'm obsessed.
We've got
but what I love is brown with black. That's like, just any time I'm wearing brown and black, it feels so sophisticated, it feels so elevated. Even though, like, this is obviously a very casual, like, approachable outfit, it feels dressy for some reason. Like, it feels dressed up.
I don't know what it is. It does feel like an elegant pairing of colours. And there's something about this top that's like cozy, but then a little bit like, oh, it wouldn't have a cutout if it's cozy. It's like, a little bit interesting. And then I love that. I love that these go. And then I think that that's the best bag choice.
Yeah, this is phenomenal. I love.
Hello London, she's back. She's been gone for 3 months, but she's back now. This is the like fancy lunch situation. And Colson, you went rogue with this, but in the best way, because it's a dress under a skirt. And I think that's brilliant. And then, what was your theory with this? Because you were like, we're doing pink with gold hardware. So let's do pink with gold hardware. And then let's really take the Chanel all the way there. Well,
and it just, like, completes it. It's just a little pop of white. And obviously, like, white and black never hurt anybody.
Yes.
So throwing that on just a little baby cutesy heel.
I love that.
It completes it.
This is such a cute look, honestly.
It's so cute.
It's this for me. Honestly, why do I not? You know, it's so easy to just like put pieces of clothing in their little boxes of what you think that they should be. So then when you're like, do you want to know what? This is a dress, but it could also be a top, Cassie. Yes. Boom. The light bulb went on. Now I'm like, what other skirt's going to work like this? I'm so happy. Yay! I'm going for 2 weeks. I can't take every bag in the world.
Correct.
I also do have some bags left at home that I need to bring back because I couldn't bring everything all at once when I moved. But A, how many bags do you think is appropriate to bring? And B, which bags do you think that I should take?
The first question, I don't have an answer. And the second question, I think that we definitely need the Chanel 19.
Agreed. I'm putting this in the pack pile with everything else.
We love the Chanel 19. I just can't. I can't get enough.
It's such an easy bag. You just grab and go.
It's so, even with what you're wearing, like watermelon sugar. Hello, it's just so good. I'm obsessed. I love that bag. I think if we're doing the pink outfit, I mean, obviously, and this like takes so little space. Like, put in like a couple lipstick and a necklace, and it's packed itself. Oh,
we need to take this for the engagement party look, and also it's tiny.
It's tiny. It doesn't. That doesn't even count. You need to take this. This bag is everything. I'm obsessed. I want this bag so bad. It's so cute.
It goes with your outfit a bit too well. I know.
It's fine. This is what you can put in like those like fragile things maybe.
I didn't even think of that.
Like it's literally a suitcase in a suitcase.
Yeah.
Like this is so good. I'm obsessed with that bag.
Having good.
Yes. This is just like a nice, easy color. Yeah, it just goes with everything. And I think everything else is really statement-y.
Yes.
Which is phenomenal. But I think that we don't like.
I think we've covered all bases. Yeah. So thank you so much to Colson for being here. Thank you so much to Nordstrom for sponsoring. Once again, link in the description for the closet consultation service. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.